everybody, it's that time again to film another kit. We are back at Tuesday morning to see what we can find to throw in our March How to Kill a Kit with Style. Let's head on in. Alright everybody, we are here in the craft section and we are starting with paper just like we did last month. So I'm going to see what goodies they have. Something I haven't played with before would be great. Lots of huge paper pads here, guys. We've got some Chamel. We have some Echo Park and some Project Life. Oh, look, Vicky Booten. I've played with that one a bunch though, so I think we're gonna skip that one this time. Willow. All right, let's see. We have Color Fresh. We could go with that. There's some Horizon, but I've played with that a ton already too. Here's one I haven't played with very much. Why don't we go with some Sunny Days? I think this one will work. And I haven't played too much with Maggie Holmes lately. So we're gonna start with that. $7. Here we go. All right, we have washi tape, we have punches. We're gonna skip that stuff, move to the embellishments. Let's see what we can find. I wish you guys could like yell at me through the screen and be like, pick this, pick that, help me out. The things you want are always in the back. I know this to be true. Gold glitter, maybe not. Blue. Got a lot of thickers here, guys. Sandy would be going crazy. She loves the thickers. I don't see any there. Let's move over here. New. It's not looking good here, guys. We gotta find something. I don't necessarily have to have letters because I have tons of letters at home. Now this, it's a little bit different, but I think it could work. $2.50, so let's go with that for now. You guys seeing anything that speaks to you? I know you can't answer me, but I wish that you could. Let's see, little embellishments. This is gonna be a small kit at this rate, you guys. Seriously. What are we gonna find? We've got Bow Bunny. Not much Maggie Holmes to be found, which is okay. Let's see. Bags, labels. Not so much. Mr. and Mrs. probably not. Sugar and Spice. Man, this is that moment where I need your help. You guys gotta tell me what to pick. It's not speaking to me yet. Well, there's some Sunny Days. So I see these. So 32 alphas, all kinds of cool pieces. So we're definitely gonna go with that since we're using that collection. This is kind of fun. 85 pieces. That could be kind of fun. Mixed media kit, $2. All right, let's try that. Oh, look at these cute little hearts, you guys. I don't think we have enough red and pink to worry about that, though. Let's see. These are kind of cute. These are from a winter collection, but they're only $1.50, and I think there's enough gold in here we could make those maybe work. So let's keep going. I bet you there's somebody on here saying, pick that, grab that, and I'm not grabbing it, and I'm sorry. What else do we need? I think we are about to the point where we're gonna call this, guys. And we're just gonna have a smaller kit than we had last time. So I'm not seeing tons of things that I need to have. And that's okay. Smaller kits aren't bad. Sometimes I make more creative things with smaller kits than I do with bigger ones. All right, quick look, let me see if there's anything else we need. We're gonna speed it up a little bit. Nope. Now these are kind of cute. Possibly. Little cards. Those might work. Wood veneer, we've got, oh, some Chamel luggage tags. Those are old, you guys. That is an old collection. All right, I think I'm good. What are we at? We got $7, $7, $8, $9.50, $11.50, $14.50, $15, $17 this time. So we've got a paper pad. We've got some thickers, a little ephemera pack, some cutout alphas, some wreaths, and cards. And that's it. Okay guys, I totally lied to you, so I found something else on the rack. These are from Heidi Swap. They're these little papers, but look how cool they are, because they have all these little cutouts and areas you can do mixed media. So since we're so far into budget, these are $4. We're gonna grab these and throw them in the kit. Now we're really done. Bye everybody.